Well, guys, somebody finally released a wide body kit for the Dodge Charger. These are some pictures that I found on Instagram of the various models that they were installed on. This includes V6s all the way up to Hellcats on 2015 and later models. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. This is made by a company out of the United Arab Emirates called Chrome and Carbon. They're on IG as well as the web, and I will put links to them in the description. They have a branch in Tennessee, and they are also on Instagram. Now this comes in a kit. Totally has to be professionally installed and has to be color match painted. This is not a trivial installation. They actually have to cut out portions of your bumper, which is pretty scary looking. And then they use adhesive and bolts to put it on. It does require a spacer to push your wheels out a little bit. Now all of the pictures here, they have air to lift and lower the car, but you don't need to have that. This kit costs $2,500 shipped, or $2,700 if you want it painted before shipment. Installation is really going to depend on where you get it done. Now, considering what it takes to do this, I'd prefer to do it at a place that's done it before, but you don't have to. You can get this kit and do it at your local body shop if you want. But man, that looks awesome. So I'm going to put links to all three of these cars as well as the manufacturer in the description field. So check them out.